good people, welcome back to my channel. Back with another video. I'm going to be showing you a very effective DIY that is going to help get rid of the hair on your body naturally without leaving any irritation on your body, without causing any ingrown hair. Alright, before this video, I'd like to say a big thank you to all my wonderful subscribers out there. Thank you so much. If you're a returning subscriber, I want to say a big thank you for tuning in once again. And if you're watching me for the first time, take a moment to subscribe, hit the bell, like this video, share this video to friends and family. I have been struggling with how to get rid of hair on my body without causing any form of irritation. I suffer from irritation each time I shave hair on my body or maybe use any cream of all sorts. I suffer from itchiness, bumps, and swelling, ingrown hair and stuff like that. So I have been trying to look for a natural homemade remedy that is going to help me to get rid of the hair on my body without causing any form of irritation or whatever. And I finally got that. This is sugar wask, and I tell you guys, this works really well. It did the job really well. It left my skin feeling so soft, moisturized, and you know, I haven't noticed any form of itchiness, because normally if I shave my hair, I will notice that my skin is really itchy, you know, and the hair on my body grows so fast, you know, so I need to shave my hair every week. And guys, I got the remedy. Guys, this works, man. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how I did this. So guys, first thing you're going to be needing is your sugar, lemon, a jar to store your mixture. You're going to be needing a cloth, popsicle stick, and you're going to be needing a fork for mixture. You want to pour the sugar in a pot and begin to add all your mixture, water, lemon. You can add more lemon if you like. I was supposed to add more lemon, but I ran out of lemon. So you're just going to keep mixing this together continuously. And as you can see, the water is boiling. So as time goes on, the mixture will begin to thicken up. Just continue mixing it until you notice a brownish color. Allow this to cool down and transfer this into your jar. I changed my jar because I realized that I have a lot of it. So you keep mixing with your popsicle stick continuously just to thicken it up. So to apply this on your body, the most effective way is to first apply a powder to your body, and this will help to remove the hair right from the follicles. So after applying the powder, you can now begin to apply the paste and then place a cotton cloth on top of it, and with a little bit of pressure, press it down like this and just take it out, and you will see lots of hair on it. This is very effective, guys, trust me. If you haven't given this a try, you really need to try it, and it's just going to get rid of the hair right from the follicles. And here I'm doing my second leg. Apply the powder again and then apply the mixture, press it down and then rip it out. And it's a little bit painful, but not as painful as the waxing. And once you're done, you can use aloe vera to close your pores. And some people also like to use cold water to close their pores, whichever works for you. And you can just store the rest of it in the fridge. Whenever you want to use it, you can microwave it and then use it again, and that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please remember to hit that subscribe button and let me know how you feel after you use this remedy. Was it effective? Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this natural homemade DIY. Thank you so much for watching, you all, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
Goodbye, goodbye, good friends, goodbye.